What's up, guys? It's your girl Bree Michelle back with another cleaning motivational video. It is the weekend, a Saturday, I believe. So I just did a few errands and now I am back home to clean. I left my house a freaking mess, but I cannot go to bed tonight with it looking this way. So I'm just putting a few things up now and then I'll start straightening up. But go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and make sure you hit the bell notification so you never miss an upload. So after a long day and these people act like they don't know how to handle this pandemic, I need a glass of wine because I am stressed after shopping. I just do not like going shopping in public if I don't have to, because some people, they need to learn to wear their mask. It protects everyone. It's respect, okay? And I was starving, so I'm gonna eat my cookies, and I'm actually getting ready to cook dinner right now as well. My dogs are on a raw diet, so sometimes when you guys see Hazel in the video, that's why she's in here, because she thinks I'm getting her food together, when I am really not. Not at this moment anyways. So for those of you who are new, 85% of the time I am hand washing my dishes. I don't know, I just feel like I do them cleaner and faster and just hurry up and get them out the way. And then I use my dish washer as storage to let my dishes dry. So I only had a couple of loads and they were really small loads. So that's why I just put them on the quick wash. These are a few random items I found in the laundry room. I must have washed them sometime this week and just haven't gotten around to these itty bitty pieces right here, which is a weird combo. But I'm just gonna go ahead and put this stuff up now. So I can't exactly remember this day. I did record this video a couple weeks back. So I'm guessing maybe I waited for dinner to finish, and which is why I changed into night clothes. Yeah, that's what had to happen because I'm washing dishes here. So I had to be, got comfortable in the bed waiting for dinner and then came back and started recording again. That's what we're going to go with. Y'all know I can't stand a nasty microwave. I cannot. I can't see not one grease stain, one speck of food, nothing. Nothing at all, you guys. It creeps me out. If you are new to my channel, hi, are you? My name is Brie Michelle, and I like to make cleaning motivational videos. I also make beauty videos on Wednesdays, but if you are not interested in the beauty, the cleaning videos are on Sundays. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.
Yeah.
So that completes the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And until next time, bye.